Hi, this is Matt with QuickRegisterSEO.com, and today I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to come up with tons of ideas to make videos to make money with affiliate marketing. Everyone knows that YouTube, putting out YouTube videos on your own YouTube channel consistently is definitely one of the best ways to generate traffic long term, and it can work great for affiliate marketing. I've made thousands with affiliate marketing using YouTube, but sometimes it can be challenging to come up with ideas to make videos, because you can't just make one video. You got to make consistent videos all the time. So here in this video, I'm going to show you how to come up with some great ideas very quickly for almost any affiliate program to make videos to promote those products through your affiliate link. And if you stick to the end of the video, I'm going to show you quick, easy ways that you can make the videos, even if you're camera shy, even if you don't speak English very well, even if you don't have very much technical ability. I'm going to show you easy ways to make these videos, because that's what I do. All right. Now, first, I'd like to ask you, though, to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Just click the subscribe button below, the little bell icon, and then you'll be the first to know about new videos that we have coming out with new software as well. And I'm going to make another one very quickly after this one, too, about some new software and an update on some software. But in any case, how do we get tons of ideas for affiliate marketing videos? Let's come up with the ideas first. I'm going to use ClassifiedSubmissions.com affiliate program as the example, but you could do this with almost any affiliate program. Now, if you come to this webpage, it's ClassifiedSubmissions.com/affiliate tools. You see I have all the banners here. But what I also have are sales letters. These are that you can put in your autoresponder, and but instead of having my link in there, you put your affiliate link in here. And you can just come here and you type in your affiliate ID, and it will populate all these banners and all these sales letters with your affiliate link. Now, right here, each one of these sales letters is a mini video. So what you can do is you can make a video about this using this sales letter. Submit your classified ad to thousands of advertising sites now. And you can just make a video using this text. It'd be a very short video, but that's okay. You can make it. And then you can make it with the next one. Does classified ad marketing still work? 2 reasons why you should include classified ad marketing. Here's content that you don't have to think of. It's already there. You can make a video with it. Each of these, here's another one. There's another one, and then we have a whole article here. 5 reasons why you should use a classified ad submission service to submit your classified ads. Here's a whole full article that you can use, and you have my permission to use it. Okay, that's another story. If you're one of my affiliates, you have my permission to use it, so you can go ahead and use it as long as you're using it to promote the classified submissions affiliate program. Now, if you're going to do it with somebody else, you better ask permission of that affiliate manager whether you can use their copy. They may have different policies regarding that. But as far as I'm concerned, we're all in. Let's do it. So there's an idea right there. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 videos right there that you can make. Now, another place you can get content is right from the website itself. Again, I don't have any problem with you making videos using my content and uploading it to YouTube. Look at all this content. You could break this up. Here's what we propose to you. I've got bullet points. You could break this up in a number of videos. Frequently asked questions. You can do a whole video on frequently asked questions, or you could make several videos out of the questions and the answers. You've got enough for 30, 40 videos, a whole channel probably using just the content off of the website and being creative. So you've got the sales letters, plus you've got all the content on the website that can give you ideas. And you just make videos, you come up with some creative titles, and you put them on YouTube, and then you put your affiliate link in the description. Now, if you're going to go through the trouble of making a video, making lots of videos to promote a certain affiliate program, like our classifiedsubmissions.com affiliate program, you might want to get your own domain name and redirect it. And here's a blog post which will tell you why and also show you how to do that. For example, here's a ridiculously long affiliate link. People are less likely to click on that. It looks too complicated. Now, I kind of exaggerated there a little bit, but it's much better if you have your own domain name that could be personalized to you. Killersubmissions.org or something like that, rather than this gobbledygook here. It looks more professional. And also, there's another advantage, is that if you start sharing it on places like Facebook, you probably have an easier time getting it out there, because a lot of times if everyone's promoting the same affiliate program with just the raw affiliate links, they can start getting blocked on major sites, and that's not good. So it's good to have your own personalized domain name that only costs like $10, and it looks more professional. What do you want, a super long affiliate link like that? Or, Mary's friendly funny website.com. That's just an example. But you could do something that related to, if it was for classified submissions, that related to classified submissions. I've had people who made domain names very similar to mine, classifiedadsubmissions.net, or something like that, which could help you with SEO, getting found in the search engines also, which is great. So here are some people who have done videos for classifiedsubmissions.com, and you kind of see what they're doing. Now, right here, they're just using the raw affiliate link, but it would look better to have their own domain name here. But notice also that they're putting the affiliate link at the top of the description. Why is that? Because you can see it right here, and it's hyperlinked, and it's easy to click. Now, other people put it right here in the title. Now, I suggest to this person that they actually get their own domain name. They just did this video a day ago, as you can see. So I would suggest they have their own domain name and maybe put some description in there as well for the SEO effect. But you want to make the link very distinctive so people can see it and click on it. And it's really not a bad strategy to put the whole link in here, but I would put your own domain name. And I will put a link in the description below where you can get your own domain name. We're resellers for GoDaddy. You can go there, and it's a good place to get your own domain name. And I'll put that link there. So let's recap what we've learned. We've learned that you can get lots and lots of material to promote, to create YouTube videos off the websites themselves. Get permission. With me, you have permission. But most people who have affiliate programs have autoresponder sales letters that you can use, and have lots of content on their website, frequently asked questions, the sales copy. All that can be used creatively to make videos with. So now let's talk about how to make the videos. There are 3 programs that I recommend, and I'm not going to do full tutorials on these. I will do these in other videos. But the 3 programs that I'm going to recommend are Article Video Robot. Now that is super easy. All you do is copy and paste text into the program, and it creates the video with live models. I'm going to show you very quickly Article Video Robot. This is not a full tutorial. I'm just going to show you the basic concept. Now, I'm logged into Article Video Robot. They have a free trial, by the way, and you can click the link below to get the free trial. But you log in, you click your template, and you click the one-click article to video maker. Okay, then you come to this a point where it says, I want to copy and paste my article by hand. You click on that. And here, what you do is you put the title of your article, you put the body of your article, you put your name, and you put your website. Hopefully it's your own domain name, or could it be your affiliate link? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come here and I'm going to copy and paste this article that I have here, right from the affiliate tools section. I'm going to modify it a little bit. I have to personalize it to myself. Okay, so I've got here the article. Here's the title. I'm going to put the title up here. I'm just copying and pasting here. And here's the article. I might want to format a little bit to make it look better with the paragraphs. Here it has a little HTML code. I'll take out the HTML code because that will look funny. I'll just put my domain. You would put your domain name. Okay. So you just have to do a little bit of modification here on some things, make it look nicer, and then you're good to go. So here I've copy and pasted the article in. With the title, I formatted it just a little bit to make it look nice. I put my URL in here, and I just leave the narrator's voice to what it is. And I click convert to video. And now I wait a few minutes, and it's going to make a video with an actual live model in there. Now, this is one of the easiest ways to make videos. Secondly, you have some other programs as well, which work very similar that I will show you. So now we're going to get an idea of what that video looks like. I'm going to click here, and it's going to give us an instant video preview of what that video is going to look like. And you saw how easy it was for me to make this video. Okay, so here's the video that we just did. And you can kind of see the concept. It has the URL down here, and it's making a nice little video, and there's a live model there. It makes bullet points for you. I didn't do anything. I just copied and pasted this into the system, and it's making these nice bullet points with the graphics. I didn't do any of that. All right, and they have a live live robot person who doesn't really sound like a robot, you know, speaking the words that we copied and pasted into the system. So that's our article video robot. You know, you can make videos like this. They're kind of robot videos, but they're very nice, and you can upload them to YouTube. You put the link to your affiliate link, hopefully of your domain name, which redirects to your affiliate link, in the description below, and you build your YouTube channel. Now, is this the absolute best way to do videos? No. It is one of the absolute easiest ways, because you don't have to be able to speak English, and there are a lot of people who don't feel comfortable speaking English. That's not their first language, and this software is unbelievably popular. You can see I made a lot of commissions on this, and yes, it's affiliate link, but it's a super appealing, easy way to do it, and making a video like this is better than not making any video. Now, another way you can make a video is with a slideshow presentation. It's also super easy. It's very similar, a lot of copy and pasting, but it's a little bit different. This is a program called ProShow Producer, and they have a web-based version and they have a downloadable version. So what I do is I click Wizard, I click Create, continue to Wizard. Okay, I click a template, I click Continue, and add content, I add title. And what I do is I copy and paste the article, and here I'm just going to go like I did with the article video robot. I just copy and paste, but instead of copying and pasting the whole article, I copy and paste sections of it. So add title, and then I'll do another section. Okay. So I just like take paragraphs or sentences from the article, and I copy and paste it in. That's it, until I have a whole nice slideshow type video there. So I have 1, 2, and I just take all the sentences and I put them together. Just copying and pasting. That's all I'm doing here. And what I can do is I can add pictures in between. you can get a little more creative here. This, you find your own pictures and you add them in between. So I go to a picture, find any picture. Well, here we go. Easy affiliate marketing tip, and continue preview. And it's going to make a little slideshow video like this. Looks nice. You can add music to it and so forth. They have a music library. You just pick the song you want, and that's it. I'm just showing you this very quickly to show you how it works. And there goes the image. I'm doing this in real time. You can make a nice video and upload it. I think they look nice. I think it's a step up actually from Article Video Robot. Requires a little bit more creativity on your part, but not much. That's how easy it is. You don't have to know how to speak English or anything. You can just copy and paste and make a real nice slideshow video. I've done a lot of videos like this. So now you have Article Video Robot and you have ProShow Producer. This is a downloaded version that I have because I use it all the time, but they have a free online version and different options, and I'll put the link in the description below. Also, Animoto does the exact same thing. I prefer ProShow Producer. Now, the next thing you can do to make videos is, it's the software that I'm using right now. It's called ScreencastOMatic, and you can find it just by doing what I'm doing right now. You go in and find ScreencastOMatic. It is a great deal. I really love this. Now, this is when you want to record your own voice, and you're always better off recording your own voice. I'd like to say, even if you have an accent, it doesn't matter. As long as we can understand you and that you're authentic and you're giving real information, don't be hung up by the fact that you have an accent. I know that gets a lot of people. And you can stop and start the video if you're hesitating, but people want authenticity in these videos. So the best way, I believe, is to do your own videos in your own voice and say to do reviews of the different affiliate products. Okay, but you can do all the above. You can do everything. The important thing is to get going and start making videos and creating a YouTube channel. And the most important thing is to consistently create quality content. So if you want to have an affiliate marketing channel, start creating videos on affiliate marketing products, and you will get good as you go. I'm not perfect at this. There are guys that are so much better at this than me, but I'm just getting better as I go. Now, ScreencastOMatic, you can start recording for free. The pro version is what I have, is just ridiculously great deal. It's like $40 for the year. What is it? What are they charging? $4 a year, $48, and plus you could host your videos on there, like a YouTube without ads. Great deal. So let's recap what you've learned here. You've learned how to get tons of content for affiliate marketing, from the sales letters, the autoresponder letters. Even if you join someone's list, you can use those letters with their permission. You can use mine. From the copy from the website, you can use Article Video Robot. You can use ProShow Web. You can use Animoto, and you can make your own videos with ScreencastOMatic. You can even just get a video camera and just do videos like most YouTubers do, with videotaping themselves. But I'm giving you this easiest way to get started right away. And just get started promoting on YouTube and doing consistent content all the time. That's what works. That's what works. Getting subscribers and consistent content, quality content. And you just don't worry about not being good. You'll get good as you go. All right. So I really hope this video has been helpful for you. It's way longer than I wanted it to be. But I think it's some good information to get you started. Please like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also, click below to join our mailing list, and we're giving away $597 of free marketing software. You can download it right away, and we're always coming up with new software too, so that you can use. So stay subscribed to our newsletter and to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much. This is Matthew May with QuickRegisterSEO.com.